I mean, first and foremost, it's a language, but it's become a culture. There wasn't, I don't, I mean, people in Eastern Europe, and obviously, well, you don't consider Germany Eastern Europe, but let's say Europe, I guess with the exclusion of Spain and Portugal and Greece and maybe Italy, whatever, they spoke Yiddish. It was a language, but it's gathered a sort of a new momentum as a culture of kind of linking us back to Eastern Europe, but probably more. I would say the new culture is more of a secular culture. But certainly, when I walk around my neighborhood and I hear Yiddish spoken, it's not spoken by secular people. It's spoken by religious people. And in fact, I say this. I mean, if you want to see the future of Yiddish, that's the future of Yiddish. Unless you A, have children, and B, teach them, the Yiddish unfortunately will disappear.